Hello, guys. Good evening, all. Hope you all are doing well. Then let's start the today's session. Those who watched our yesterday's video might have found a good trade setup today and hopefully made some profit too. But keep one thing in your mind, and it is my humble request to all: do not take this program as a signal service. It is not any kind of signal service. Sorry, we are not any financial advisor, and I also suggest you all to practice this analysis and trade setups in your demo account. After you get the confidence, then come on live account and trades accordingly. Okay, all right. Before start the today's analysis, let's take a look at the today's news. As we know, today was very big day for news. There was core CPI and CPI, that means inflation data news. Let me show you the news today. Okay, there was six news lined up in the same time. Mainly, this was the main news, and this is also main news for today. This is also actually CPI data is for inflation. As we look As we look the news, the core CPI data came in as expected, but it slightly aged. Look the core CPI, it is in expected, but slightly aged from previous data. Okay. Similarly, CPI month over month and CPI year over year data is aged slightly down from previous month. Okay. That means overall inflation in US has been aged slightly, and it definitely provide a bit of relief for Federal Reserve. If we keep this data in mind, it will bring weakness to the dollar for this week as well as next week too. Based on this fundamental data, based on this fundamental data as released today, we should remain bearish on gold and other USD pairs for this week and upcoming weeks. Okay. All right. Let's look for some good trade setups in gold and other pairs for intraday for today or tomorrow. Okay, let me share the screen of trading view. Oh, this is a day structure of gold. As we know, their structure, as per their structure, gold is bearish. 1 minute. Okay. It's a 4 hour frame. As we discussed on previous video, gold is bullish on 4 hour frame, as it creating continuing higher high and higher lows. Gold is bullish in 4 hour structure. Okay. Let me check in 1 hour. In 1 hour, firstly check the volume during the today's news release. Okay. This is the volume and this is the candle during the news. And look the next candle right after news, engulf the bullish candle, and volume was more high. It is the some kind of a sign of weakness, but we need some evidence for initiate any trade for sale, because gold is still bullish in structural level. As per 4 hour structure, this is the best level for initiate any sale position. If we get some evidence here, we may initiate a sell from here. Okay. This is the level of near about 2400, 2395 to 2400, 2395 to 2400, the best zone for sale. Buying for buying for gold is little critical as per the news. Let me check something. Okay. In 5 minutes, in 30 minutes, in all structure, gold is still bullish. In 5 minutes, in 5 minutes, it break the bullish structure. Check. This was the last low, and it broke the structure. And this is a Quasimodo level position. Okay. This is a Quasimodo level position. If I find the price at this level, if I find the price at this level, that is 2373, I will initiate a sale, and my SL will be there. The 2376 or 78. 2376. 2376.50. I will initiate a sell position here. Okay. This is the first setup for sell. The best setup for sell is this level, as I told before. And for intraday for 50 pips and 60 pips, this might be a good setup here. Okay, manage your trades accordingly after open any trade. Trade management is very important for trader rather than opening a trade. Okay, in 1 hour, in 1 hour there is no buy setups in gold. Yes, if it break this level, if it break this level 2378 level with high volume and a momentum candles, creating some momentum candles, in that case market will create an higher high, and then come to retest this level. We may initiate here a buy position in this position. The price will be 237776. Okay, and SL will be 30 pips below the price, and our take profit will be 2395 level. This is the buy setup for intraday in gold. There is only two setups for intraday in gold. Wait and watch. If we find the market in this level, we'll definitely initiate a position. Okay, let me check the situation of DXY. What it's doing now? Okay, DXY is bearish. DXY is bearish from the day level of Quasimodo, I think. Yes, yes. DXY is bearish from there. And the support, the perfect support of DXY is here 103, 104, near about to 104 is the best support for DXY. If it break the 104 level like this, that after DXY will go continue down for long time. If it takes support from this level and bounce from this level, it may create new higher high. As per the fundamental of today's data of inflation, there is a possibility to break this level uh, by the next week by DXY. Okay, let's see what will happen. We'll make our setups according to the structure of DXY. All right, let's check the other pairs if there are any possible trades for intraday. Let me check the GBP. Okay, in GBP USD, I'm wait, I'm waiting for this level, but still now it is not come in this level. Still I'm waiting. If I find the price here in this level, I will. Sorry, if I find the price here, I'll initiate buy in GBP. Most probably it will come here on tomorrow or next after tomorrow. Let's see what will happen. Uh, and their structure, there is a good resistance. Okay, there is a good resistance in this level. And market already rejected from this level and is already mitigated the first order block. This is the first order block, and it has and second order block also mitigated. Okay, if okay, This will be a good setup also for sale, but it is risky for to sell the major pair right now. But we may initiate a sell position if we find the price here. Okay, the price is 1.2680 to 1.2690. If we find the price here, we'll initiate a sell and our SL will be there 1.2728. 1.2728, 1.2690. That means 30, near about 30 pips of SL. 1.2724. Okay. If we find the price here, we will initiate a buy. If we find the price here, we will initiate a sell for intraday purpose for maximum profit of 60 to 100 pips. This is the trade setup for GBP USD for next today and onwards tomorrow. Let's check other pair. Let me check the UAD USD. What it condition now? Let me clear the drawings in dash structure. What is the condition of UAD USD? Okay, in dash structure it is ranging. Dash structure it is ranging. It is the high day and it has rejected from this level in 4 hour. In 4 hour it continue creating higher highs. That means bullish on 4 hour. Okay, let me mark the structure in 4 hour. This is the structure of 4 hour. This is the last low. And let me check in 1 hour. In 1 hour it is also bullish. Hmm. 1 hour it is also bullish. This is the level. If we find the price here, if we find the price here, we may initiate a buy. Okay. Still, this order block is unmitigated. That's why the price may come to this level and test this level, and after that, it will go up. Okay. This is the trade setups for this pairs. Okay. That's all from my side. Thank you, guys, and hope for the best. See you on tomorrow's video. Bye.